Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can download Paylocity on your Android device. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notifications so you get notified for our upcoming videos. Now to download the application, head over to the Play Store and then in the search bar type in Paylocity. Now tap on the install button. As soon as you tap on the install button, the application will start to download on your device. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. After the application has been downloaded, tap on open. Now from here you'll be able to sign up, or if you already are signed up, then you can log into your account. So that's how you can download Paylocity app on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And that will be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.